The whole transom has got, some places it's got 2 layers of the chop mat, and some of it I had some really thick chop mat I put on there and all the joints, and then I covered the whole thing with in case I don't know if you can see me, in case anybody was wondering, I have got about 8 gallons of resin on this. From the time I started, from coating everything, to coating my marine grade plywood, to putting everything together, and with my mat, with my thickening and doing my fillets and all that, I've used 8 gallons so far. Just an FYI. To thinner, and of course you've watched me and you've seen how I got rid of the bubbles. I don't know if that's the right way or not, but that was the way I did it. Have a good evening. Bye. Okay, good morning. We're going to go ahead and try to put this piece of fabric on here today. I kind of got it pre-cut. I'm doing a little different than I did yesterday. I'm going to set everything in the boat to make all my resin. So I just kind of got this propped up here now for see how we got for fit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to release one side and let it down, wet it out, put it up. Probably start with half, wet it up, and then we'll start working it in. And then this is my plan anyhow, and then lay the other side down and do the same. So watch me on video so you can see how it either goes or don't go.